What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I'm here with another unboxing, and as you guys can see, this one's a crazy unboxing because just look at this box, you guys. It has every different type of flavor on it, every color. It's crazy. It goes with the what the theme. So here I have a Air Vapormax Evo NRG, and it is size 12 and a half. You know, the size is 12 and a half. Sometimes they're hard to get because usually they don't make that much of them. And sometimes on the resale game, they go for a lot. But on the flip side, they could also go for a little. It's like hit and miss. On these particular ones, they're going for some good money. So I did hit ×3. So I got two 12 and a halves, and then I got one size 14, and the 14 hasn't got here yet, and the other 12 and a half hasn't got here yet. I find that kind of weird because I ordered all three at the same time, and this one got here way early. So I'm looking to make, depending on if it sells or not, I could make a quick 100 off of this, believe it or not. So it hasn't sold yet though, and it's like the bids and the asks, it's kind of like there's a big difference. If I would have got this probably a day sooner, it would have been over and I would have made over $100, but it's okay. So I still got two in the mail. This one's right here. Let's go ahead and open it, check it out, and guys, it's just so crazy to be like this box. All right, let's see what we got here. So it is that like drawer type box, you know, that the Yeezys usually do, where you just slide them open like so. And I'm gonna have to pull both of them out so you guys can see both of them because they do have different coloring. Oh my god. Okay, let's dissect one of them first, then we'll go to the other one. So this is, oh man. Okay, here you guys go so you guys could check it out. So I didn't know it had that like furry, it looks like what is that, like cowhide? Looks like cowhide right here on the front. Like, that's crazy. You have the moon right here. Looks like we landed on the moon right there. And then on this side, it kind of reminds me of like Air Force. So it looks like a fighter jet on this side. And then, oh, I didn't even notice that. So we have the Nike Air right here. And then we have Air Max on this side down here. And these look so comfortable to me. Like, you guys, look at the sole. Like, doesn't that look so comfy? It looks like you'd be walking on I was gonna say Mars. Looks like you'd be walking on the moon with all those craters on this one right here. And it does have like that Volt, little like Volt check mark right here, the Nike swoosh. And oh, okay, so I guess it does match with the Max on this side, and then you do have a little green. So this is the left shoe right here we're talking about. Let's pull out the right shoe and check out the right shoe. Okay, so this is like it's like that. I'm not sure if it's I don't think it's the US Army right here. That looks like the British camouflage, the British Army. And don't quote me on that, I'm not 100% sure. Or it could be like the Desert Storm, like the old camo that the US Army was rocking. I was in the Army once upon a time ago. And okay, so you still have that like cowhide, up here in the front. And on this side, it looks like you got the snake skin. Like, how crazy is that, you guys? Like, this shoe is so crazy. You know, it has the what the factor for sure. And I just noticing it has a different color backing. So you got the blue and you got the red all the way in the back. This one says Nike Air, so does this one. They both say Nike Air. Same thing, you got the crazy bottoms. Like, man, I could just imagine me just walking around in these things all day. You could probably walk around all day and not even be tired. Like, that's how nice they look. You guys, this is a crazy shoe. Okay, so let's get back to my different sizes. So I told you I had two 12 and a halves, and then the size 14 also. You guys, size 4, when I ordered it, size 14 was going crazy. I want to say it was up to the 400 range. So the thing is, like, they haven't even shipped it, and this one I already received it. So it's crazy. Not sure what Nike's doing, but they're doing their thing. As long as I get it eventually, that's gonna be cool. So what I was gonna say is, like, you have to, the reason I knew that these restocked is because I got a Twitter account. I don't really post too much on the Twitter account, but I follow a couple people. And the first person I follow is J23. And then we have Sneakers Twitter. And I can't think of the third one right now. But you guys, they post all day long. Anytime a shoe releases, they're going to be posting it. So they have these things that are called monitors, where they're pretty much, it's a computer screen, where they're pretty much watching anytime stock gets uploaded for shoes on pretty much a lot of different websites. They get notified. And they go on there, and what they do is they grab that link, and then they'll put it on Twitter. And if you click the link, they do get a little commission. But it's definitely worth it for them, because, you know, they're getting the commission and they're helping you out, letting you know what shoes are available. And that's how I did it. So I clicked on the link, I checked it out, I went to the different sizes, and I found out 12.5 was doing good and 14 was doing good. 12 was also doing good, but I was like, you know, I wanted to get that off size, that 12.5, which is a little bit rarer than most sizes. And so I I went ahead and I grabbed, so I have 3 accounts. So I have 2 accounts and the wifey has 1 account. So I was like, boom, boom. I hit them up, 12.5, 12.5 on my accounts. And then I told the wifey to go for the 14s, and she went for the 14s and got them. I was like, wow, I did not think she was going to get the 14s, but she did get them. She was quick with it, so that was very cool. So the reason I knew that these were going for a good amount is I was at a Nike store. It's called Hall of Hoops, and it's in Fashion Valley. It's in San Diego. And I did see these on the shelves, but they were size 8.5, right? And like, I was like, you know, I know these are going for a pretty penny. So I looked at StockX, and then like I already knew that the high sizes, the larger sizes, they were going for more. So I was like, once I seen them, like I already knew, and it was a lot faster for me to go in there and purchase them. You kind of have to keep up on which shoes are doing good at the moment. Once you know, you're able to get in there faster, because when they send out the link, a lot of people are looking at those links and they're selling out quick. So the more you know about what shoe is going for what and what size, then you're going to be good to go, and you're going to be able to go in there and get it fast like everybody else is doing. If you have to go on StockX and kind of do like the comparison thing, it's going to take a little while longer. You still be able to scoop up, but you know, if you're on your A game, you're definitely going to be able to make some money in the resale realm of it, okay? So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will check you guys out on the next video.